Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you real quick how you can tie your head wrap or head scarf, whatever you call it. I have a friend, Cassie, who she loves to tie head wraps, and she is an American girl, but she loves head wraps, and I watch her every time struggle with how to tie head wraps, you know. And I show her how to do it sometimes, but I told her I'm gonna make some videos on YouTube so that you can go there and watch how you can tie your head wraps. And I shared the other one that I did, the other video, the previous video that I did, I shared it with her. So if you're like my friend Cassie, this video is going to be helpful to you. And also, if you have friends who love head wraps, who love tying head wraps, I wanted to share this video with them, and it's going to be really helpful to them, like my friend Cassie. So real quick, without wasting your time, I want to jump into the tutorial for today. Okay, first head wrap style I'm gonna do is very simple, very simple, and very easy to make. And head wraps are really good for bad hair days and good hair days, okay? And it's very easy to do. So you can do it within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes you're done, and then you go to where you want to go. So I have my head wrap here, my scarf here, and I'm just going to put this on my head like this. I'm gonna make sure my hair falls here at the front for this very style, because this is how I love it. And then I'm gonna tie it at the back. Tie it at the back like this, okay, like that. And then I'm gonna do it like this, tie it again, and then use this one to wrap this. Wrap it like this, and then put them together like this, and take it round the knot like this. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is very cute. This is one of the very easiest one, and you can see it was very easy to do, and it didn't take time at all. So yeah. Okay, so this is style number one. Let's jump right into the next style. I'm gonna take this one out and then grab my next head wrap. So I'm gonna take this, put it like this at the center and make sure it's equal, okay? And then I'm gonna grab this too, take it to the back like this, tie it at the back like that. Make sure it's firm, and then I'm going to bring it to the front like that, like this. Twist it, make sure you twist it. I'm gonna twist it like this, and then I'm gonna cross it like this. Cross it like crisscross. Twist it, and then I'm gonna tuck it in here. Tuck this one in here. There you go. Tuck it in. Okay, so this is it. So for this, what you're gonna do is just twist it a little bit, and then you tuck it in here. Tuck it in here. Okay, let's go right to the third one. So I'm gonna take this out. Let's jump to the third one. Gosh. So for the third style, I have my head wrap ready, my scarf ready. So I'm just gonna put it, take it like this to the back, put it at the back of my head. Oops, like this, and make sure it's equal on the sides, and then cross it like this, then tie it like, I hope you can see that. I'll tie it here. Make sure it's firm, and then you cross it like this. Oh sorry, tie it again, and then you use this to cross over under, like cross under like that. You take it on top, cross it under, take it under, then you use this one, take it, go to the left like this, and then all what you want to do is create a knot on top. So I'm crossing it like that to make sure I have a knot here on top. Then I'm tucking this side in, then this one I'm gonna tuck it in like this, tuck it under, then you have your knot. Okay, then it's ready. Yeah, so this is style number 3, and this is also very easy and very fast. As you can see, it didn't take me much time to do it. Yeah, so this is style number 3. Let me show you the next style real quick. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. So guys, so the next style, I have my scarf ready, and I'm gonna take it to the back of my head like this. Take it like this, have it in 2 equal parts, like this is equal, then I'm gonna cross it like this, then take it to the back, then bring it to the front again. Bring it to the front again. So this one, I'm just gonna tuck it in like this. Tuck it in here. You can decide to show your hair, like leave it like this. You can decide to do that, or if you don't like it like this, you can cover your hair, like use it like to cover your hair. So this is one style, this is one style. I mean, you can decide to cover your hair like this, or you can decide to show your hair. So if you want to show your hair, you have to put this, tuck this in somewhere, like here, tuck it in here. Or you can decide to cover your hair like this way. You tuck it in here, just tuck it in here, and there you go. Okay, let's check out the back. So you see, that was fast and that was very easy. So you can decide to do this, but I still want to know which one is your favorite. I still have one more to go, so let me show you the last one. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Then I have this little piece. This one is a little scarf. It's not as broad, not as wide as the other ones that I used. So you take it like this to the back. So tie it at the back like this. Tie it at the back. Tie it at the back like that. Then you bring it to the front. So you can see it's just very little at the front. So I'm just going to make a little bow here at the front. So I'm tying it here like this, and then I'm going to tie it again. Okay, there you go. So you can leave it like that, but then I have to tuck in this part. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. So this is what the back looks like. And this is what the front looks like. So I want to show my hair a little bit. So I'm pushing it like this to make sure that my edges shows. So yeah, this one is equally very simple to make, as you can see, very easy. So those are the styles I wanted to show you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button and click the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I want to also know which one was your favorite style. Share with me in the comment section below. And if you love to know or see more of the head wrap tutorials, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at SylviaSandy7. You can also follow me on Facebook at Ukong's Palace. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, and the other head wrap tutorial that I did. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.